What's up guys, for today's video, papunta kami ngayon ng McKinley sa Taguig. Mag-attend kami ng trick or treat ni Chase Austin.
Candy.
Afternoon. Kami. Chase.
Ayan, ganda naman ang outfit mo, Pogi.
Thank you.
Yung pinaka-Pogi nakita ko.
Chase Austin.
Hi, Chase. Pwede ka ba mag-artista? Wow.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye na kayo. Wala pa kaming candy. Sana pagbalik ko may candy na kami. Bye-bye. Balik kami.
Balik po kami. Thank you po.
Isa lang dyan? Isa pa. Bakit man?
Thank you po.
Careful ah.
Wow. Who's that? Who's that? Mario. Love mo si Mario, dali. Bigyan mo tikman. Up here. Yehey. Thank you. Wow. Nagkakain.
Mang inasan?
Minsan. Yun na nga guys, di pa kami nagla-lunch at kakain muna kami bago kami umattend sa Halloween party ni Chase Austin.
Sabi nila magbigay lang.
Sige po, thank you.
Everybody, go, 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 go. Perfect. Now that we have a magic wand, who loves to go to school? Oh, wow. All right, you know what? The cheesy actor is you learn magic.
Go inside. Trick or treat. Bye. Go there. Drink. Trick or treat. Say thank you nak. Wow. Thank you po. Are you happy? Now let's go. Say trick or treat ah. Say thank you.
Hindi tayo ganito pa
Sige po.
Let's go, Kali!
Trick or treat. Say thank you ah, Chase. Thank you. Thank you. Let's go na kay mami. Si mami oh. What's that? What's that? What's that? Can you see? Wow. Hi. Ito seryo. Pizza chef. Salamat, Johnny. Thank you. Treat. Hi, say hi kay kuya. Hi kay kuya. Doon. Go there. Doon. Chase. Hey, go inside. Dali. Trick or treat po. Hindi abot. Ano lang. Thank you. Say thank you.
Sir, bigyan po ka na ng
Thank you po.
free vitamin C po from Potency.
Ay, wow.
Dami a day po yan per 3 to 12 years old.
Okay, sakto 3 years old.
Ayan.
Wow.
Ayan.
Wow, thank you po. Say trick or treat. Say thank you ah. Oh, yeah. Say, what will you say?
Ika po.
Thank you po. Thank you. Wow. Go inside, dali. Wow. Thank you po. What will you say? Thank you po. Say thank you. Bye-bye. Salamat. Miss Bam. Dali. Dali na. Dali, Miss Bam, dali na. Natakot. Bye-bye. Nakatakot. Say trick or treat ah. Thank you. Ayun, kay ate. Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you po.